Hello trader, I'm going to do a complete multi-time frame analysis on XAUUSD. Let's see what kind of trading opportunity we have in this instrument. Now from the lower time frame, we can see that this instrument currently showing significant trading opportunity. Now before we discuss how we can trade, first let's quickly look at highest time frame, looking at the monthly chart to see overall picture in the market. Now from the monthly, we can see that XAUUSD is long-term bull market. If you look at, there's an inverted head and shoulder here with a stronger momentum followed by a pullback, and we can see that another impulse here on XAU USD with this monthly momentum. And what we can see that previous monthly candle is a bearish candle with a long wick at the bottom. Now this monthly candle forms series of lower high, and what we can see, this current monthly candle closing in a couple of hours, we could see that XAU USD is moving up to the resistance line, and after that we can expect a rejection or further upside here, as the market already tested this lower shadow of the previous monthly candle, expecting XAUUSD to bounce back up to the resistance line. If we look at the weekly perspective on XAUUSD, from the weekly perspective we can see that this is the weekly price action where there is a weekly candle with a healthy body and long wick followed by a weekly doji formation. Now this week, as expected, we can see that initial drop to the support level and the market again bouncing back to the resistance line where there is a high liquidity. And as the price started to move back up, we could see potentially a retest of this weekly resistance line. Dropping down to the daily chart, we can see that from the daily perspective, after previous daily long week candle, this today we have seen from this support level the market managed to bounce, and with that bounce from the daily, the price approaching the daily 20 EMA, where also this is an important liquidity zone, as well as this is a resistance here, support here, which is acting here as resistance. And we could see that the price is moving up, penetrating that level and then bouncing back to the upside to create a new higher high. So looking at 15 minutes perspective from day trading time frame, we can see that from the day trading perspective here, there is a series of lower high formation, and with that series of lower high from the day trading perspective, we can see that the market currently, this is the 15 minutes price action, we have seen that there's a bounce from this level, and as we can see, there is an inverted head and shoulder, strong breakout with that inverted head and shoulder, and we have seen that pull back to the previous resistance, which is turning support here. And currently the market, we can see there is a strong bounce here, and we could see that potential trend continuation. And as the price moves from liquidity to liquidity, expecting XAUUSD after initial pullback to bounce back up to the next liquidity zone, which is potentially, we could see later today, bullish price action in this market. So on the lower time frame, as soon as we will find suitable entry after price action confirmation, we will be looking for going long with a high probability trade setup. Traders, if you enjoy this analysis, make sure you give a thumbs up and also subscribe to the channel if you haven't done yet. Thank you, and I'll see you soon in my next analysis.